Hello guys, CrayJ here. Today it was a very windy day. Take a look everywhere.
What's up, guys?
It was a very windy day before, but it just got a little bit more better.
What's up, guys?
Oh, it's getting worse, sir.
Outside. You guys are probably wondering why I'm wearing
It was raining earlier.
it is because
Look at the clouds.
it's
Savage Boy here.
earlier it was like good, bright, and now it's
Now, do you see this little piece of sheet? I think it's sheet over there. It's a yellow thing. But anyways, it started to get all windy. I was thinking that hurricane thing got in the hold of it. See, it was actually raining. Ah. And look at this. This fell and just made a break.
Oh man, look at that.
You see that piece? That was the best vase ever.
Is that a sheet?
Yeah, those are the sheets. I already showed them that. Look at the bubble wrap. Ooh, look at the bubble wrap. Nope. Anything. Ran all the way here. I like going in the wind, but sometimes it's really hard. Oh, the thing fell again. Let's talk about. Oh, oops! I did something wrong. Oh, I'm just kidding. Okay, the face fell again, and I would like to see you later. But I have to try out this. Oh, get it up. Like and subscribe my video. And bye-bye.